In this video, you'll learn how to navigate through the instructor perspective of MindTap. The first time that you launch your MindTap course from within your Canvas course, the MindTap service agreement will appear. You can scroll to the bottom, read through, and click Accept. You can then click Enter to enter into the MindTap course, and can click anywhere on the screen to get rid of the MindTap overlay. There are 3 views that you can use to navigate through your MindTap course. The default view is a weekly view, and this would show you anything that you have set to be due in the given week. You can move to future or past weeks using the arrows on the sides. Your middle view is a unit view. This gives you a table of contents type view of your MindTap course. You can click into a specific chapter to view the items that are available within that chapter. You can choose to hide an item by clicking on the hide icon for the item, and you can also choose to edit that item's settings by clicking on the pencil. For gradable items, you can choose to edit the grading options like point values, number of takes allowed, and feedback that's allowed by clicking on the Edit Options menu. Your third view is what we call the Date Manager. This will give you a list view of all of your MindTap activities, and you can quickly go through and set available and due dates for any activities that you would like to assign. You can assign the same available and/or due date to multiple items by selecting the checkbox for those items and using the calendars in blue at the top of the page. For example, I'm going to set these 3 items to all be due on the same date. So I'm going to select the date from the menu. I can choose the time, click Done, and then Apply. Those dates will now apply to the items that you selected, and they'll be listed now in your weekly view. In the top right-hand corner of the page, you'll see your name listed, and this will open up a menu that allows you to change your course settings, as well as access a system check. This will run a quick system diagnosis to make sure that your computer and browser are up to date to run MindTap successfully. Your students have this option as well. In the Recent Activity Scores menu, you'll be able to see your class averages plotted for the most recently due activities in your course. And lastly, down the right-hand side of the page, you have your app bar. This is where you can access various resources for the course. This is also where you can control the settings and content for any of your gradable items.